Craftsman 1/4" drive ratchet service. Just like the 1/2 inch and 3/8, only smaller. See how this goes. Okay. Here's our snap ring. This is 30-year-old American made. And at this time, year of our Lord 2020, there are rebuild kits available for these. I've mentioned that in the other 2 videos. This one has never been down, or its brothers, for service, and that's what we're doing at this time. Keep a magnet close by, because you're going to lose parts if you don't. Makes it easier to pick them up. Alright, we're coming out with the gear. You notice I'm holding the selector with my thumb so that it doesn't come out. It can come out, but you want to do this a little at a time. Here's the main gear. We'll wipe that out, spray it out with brake clean. Even clean it with a toothbrush. We want to clean everything out really good while we got it apart. Next comes the selector gear. And I have here a small piece of wire to help me pull that out. These pieces are very small on the 1/4 inch drive. Like I said, keep a magnet close by, if not right in your way, so that you can grab these things as they come out. Okay. Alright, here is our tiny selector and the switch itself that comes in the back. Wipe all this off, clean it very well. I'm going to take a magnet and retrieve the ball and the spring. This is a telescopic magnet. There's the ball. The spring is next. Now this spring to scale is longer than the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch drive. That's strange, interesting. Now this is my first go around with these, so that may be just the case there. Now, we will take brake clean and spray all this out, get all that old grease and dirt and grime, and if our lighting is right, which I don't think it is, there is a pocket right there where the screw or the spring goes down inside of. Right there, my pick is inside of it. I want to clean that out really well, all the recesses, and then we'll begin reassembly. I'll go outside and spray this out with brake clean. We'll put you on pause temporarily. Alright, here we go. We're going to put some ATF down in this hole where the spring and the ball go, and then grease to hold it all together. I'm just using a pick and dipping it down into the bottle and then into the hole. And then the spring. Using the tiny needle nose pliers. grease. More like a big dab in this case. Previous videos, we used this piece of credit card. It's in the 3/8 video, 3/8 rebuild or service. Your selector switch, the switch itself, has to go in the back of the ratchet first, and then the gear last. And this is kind of difficult, and it may take you a couple of tries. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, I got that placed in the grease. Going in with the gear now. Okay. Taking you off the stand. We maybe want to run out of battery, but here we are. We can see our ball in there in the detent. Next we'll just lay the gear in and grease everything up, and we're back in business. Put our plate on and the snap ring. Okay. Dab of grease. That's in. The plate. There that is. Snap ring.